Hello my dear students, hope you all are doing good. This is Class 2 EVS video. Lesson 11 Sun, Light and Shadow. Part 2. In Part 1 video, we have learnt about sun and light. Do you all remember, cuties? That is, we have learnt about natural source of light, artificial source of light, then how day and night are formed, and some other information about sun. Do you all remember, cuties? In this video, we are going to learn about shadow. Now, I am going to show you a funny video. Funny means comedy video. Some kids are afraid of their own shadow. You also watch and laugh, cuties. So funny video. See this video? This baby is wondering on seeing her shadow. Wondering means ஆச்சரியப்படுறா. அவளோட ஷேடோ பார்த்து அவளே ஆச்சரியப்படுறா. Her father is explaining that it is a shadow. She does not know about shadow. See the next video. This boy likes to play with the shadow. See how he is playing. See the next picture. This girl is afraid of her own shadow. அவ ஷேடோவை பார்த்து அவளே பயந்து அழுகிறா. See the next comedy picture. This boy is also afraid of his own shadow and crying. He is running to his mother. See the next boy. He is playing with the shadow happily. See how funny it is. Very comedy to see, isn't it? Cuties, have you all seen this video and laughed out? Me too laughed a lot. Okay, hope now you all want to see your shadow, isn't it? இந்த குழந்தைங்க பார்த்த மாதிரி உங்களுக்கும் உங்கள் ஷேடோவை பார்க்கணுன்னு ஆசையாக இருக்கா? ஓகே, pause the video, go out of your home, stand under the sun and see your shadow. Pause the video, go fast. Go out of your house and see your shadow and come back fast. Have you all seen your shadow, cuties? Yes. How is it? Okay. Now I will say about shadow through an activity. Are you all ready, cuties? Now I have taken a water bottle. I am going to shine a torch on it from one side. இந்த பாட்டில் மேல ஒரு சைடுல இருந்து மேம் டார்ச் அடிக்கிறேன். டார்ச் காட்டுறேன். சரியா? See on the other side. What can you see? What is this, cuties? You can see a dark patch, isn't it? You can see a dark patch. கருப்பா ஒரு ஷேப் தெரியுதா? This dark patch is called the shadow. How is the dark patch formed, cuties? எப்படி இந்த dark patch வருது? ஏன் வருது? Listen carefully, cuties. When any object blocks the path of light, a shadow is formed. That is, when any object, now the object is water bottle, isn't it? Or things you can say. When any object or thing comes on the path of light, a shadow is formed. லைட் வர்ற பாதையை பாரு, இந்த சைடு வழியா லைட் வருதா? லைட் வர்ற பாதையை ஏதாவது ஒரு திங்ஸ் மறைச்சா அந்த திங்ஸோட ஷேடோ தான் விழும். சரியா? நீ ஒரு பிளேஸுக்கு போறப்போ அந்த பாதையை வேற யாராச்சும் வந்து மறைச்சி உன்னை அந்த சைடு போக விடாம பண்ணா எப்படி இருக்கும்? உன்னால அந்த சைடு போக முடியுமா? முடியாதுல்ல. அதே மாதிரி லைட் வர்ற பாதைய யாராச்சும் இல்லைன்னா ஏதாவது ஒரு திங்ஸ் மறைச்சா எந்த திங்ஸ் மறைக்குதோ அந்த திங்ஸோட ஷேடோ தான் விழும். சரியா? Now see this light. Light is coming from this torch. இந்த டார்ச் வெளியே இப்படி லைட் வருதா? If I keep this bottle on the path of the light, இந்த பாட்டில்ல அந்த லைட் வர்ற பாதையில வைக்கிறேன். This bottle will block the path of the light. இப்போ இந்த பாட்டில் இல்லைன்னா என்ன ஆகும்? அந்த லைட் நேரா அந்த சைடு அப்படியே விழும். அப்படிதானே குட்டீஸ்? இப்போ அந்த லைட் வர்ற பாதையில மேம் இந்த வாட்டர் பாட்டில வச்சிடுறேன். அப்ப என்ன ஆகும்? இந்த லைட் வர்ற பாதைய இந்த வாட்டர் பாட்டில் பிளாக் பண்ணிருச்சா? சோ இந்த வாட்டர் பாட்டிலோட ஷேடோ இந்த சைடு விழும். சரியா? Have you all understand குட்டீஸ்? Kutis, hope you all understood well about shadow, isn't it? See, shadow is always formed on the opposite side of the light. Can you all see light here? Light is coming from this side, isn't it? So, shadow will be formed on the opposite side of the light. Always shadow will be formed on the opposite side of the light. Opposite side means எதிர்பக்கம். Opposite side. Light is coming from this side, isn't it? So shadow won't be fall on this side. Shadow will be fall on that side only. Okay? எப்பவுமே shadow எந்த பக்கம் விழும்? லைட் எந்த பக்கம் இருந்து வருதோ அதுக்கு ஆப்போசிட் சைட்ல தான் விழும். எப்பவுமே லைட் வர்ற சைடு ஷேடோ விழவே விழாது. ஓகே குட்டீஸ்? Are you all clear? See? Now this light is going through this path, isn't it? Now this water bottle is coming in middle, in between, isn't it? So light வர்ற பாதையில இந்த water bottle வந்துருச்சு. So light is coming from this side. So shadow is formed on the opposite side. அடுத்த பக்கம் தான் shadow எப்பவுமே விழும். லைட் வர்ற சைடு shadow விழவே விழாது. Clear குட்டீஸ்? Tell me which side shadow will be formed? Yes, on the opposite side of the light. Say again, which side you can see shadow? Yes, in the opposite side of the light. Shadow will be formed on the opposite side of the light. Shadow எப்பவுமே எங்க விழும்? லைட் வர்ற பாத்துக்கு ஆப்போசிட் சைடு அந்த பக்கம் தான் விழும். லைட் இந்த பக்கம் வந்துச்சுன்னா ஷேடோ அந்த பக்கம் தான் விழும். Are you all clear குட்டீஸ்? Now see, I am moving this torch light. Can you see? While I am moving this torch light, you can see shadow also moving. Isn't it? Why shadow is moving குட்டீஸ்? Because shadow will be formed on the opposite side only, isn't it? So light move ஆக லைட்டோட ஆப்போசிட் சைடுக்கு ஷேடோவும் சேர்த்து மூவ் ஆகுது. Are you all clear குட்டீஸ்? குட்டீஸ், you can do this experiment even in your home with the help of your parents. Okay, now tell me, in this experiment which source of light I showed? மேம் இப்போ காட்டின எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்ட்ல லைட்டு எதுல இருந்து வந்துச்சு? Yes, good. Torch light, isn't it? I used torch in the mobile. Do you think only torch light can form the shadow? No, all the source of light can form the shadow. That is, you can get shadow from the sunlight or tube light, bulb, even candle, diya. During daytime, if you go out, shadow is formed by using the sunlight also. Okay cuties? If you get chance, go out in the sunlight and see your own shadow. Cuties, do you think the size of the shadow is same all the time? Shadow oda length எப்பவுமே சேமா இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறியா? No cuties. During morning and evening the shadow is long. In the afternoon, the shadow is short. See this picture? See the morning and evening. The shadow is little long. Can you see the long shadow of this tree? Yes. Now see this afternoon picture. See this arrow mark? The shadow is very short. Isn't it, cuties? So, shadow is long in the morning and in the evening. And shadow is short in the afternoon. You can say afternoon as noon also. Now tell me, cuties, when shadow is long? Yes, in the morning and in the evening. When is the shadow short? Yes, in the afternoon. Don't forget this, cuties. Shadow is long in the morning and in the evening. And it is short during afternoon. That is noon. You can say afternoon as noon also. That's all about shadow, cuties. And we have completed lesson 11, sun, light and shadow lesson. Okay, now all of you take your EVS book, cuties. Take your EVS book and page number 87. Take your EVS book and take page number 87. Have you all taken page number 87, cuties? See these underlined words and underline these words in your book. After underlining, you have to read these words. After reading, you have to write these words in your rough note. While writing, you have to spell out these words. ரஃப் நோட்டில் இந்த வேர்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் ஒரு தடவை எழுதணும். எழுதும்போது சொல்லிக்கிட்டே எழுதணும். Then only you will get good pronunciation. Okay. Now I will read these words for you. Listen carefully, cuties. See the first one. Stand. S-T-A-N-D. Stand. Second one. Black patch. Say with me, cuties. Black patch. Say again. Black patch. B-L-A-C-K. Black. P-A-T-C-H. Patch. Black patch. Third one. Shadow. S-H-A-D-O-W. Shadow. Say, cuties. Shadow. Fourth one. Around. Say again. Around. A-R-O-U-N-D. Around. Say, cuties. Around. Fifth one. Morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Morning. Say again. Morning. Now see the sixth word, cuties. Evening. E-V-E-N-I-N-G. Evening. Say again. Evening. Seventh word. Shortest. Say, cuties. Shortest. S-H-O-R-T. Short. E-S-T. Shortest. S-H-O-R-T. Short. E-S-T. Shortest. Say again, cuties. Shortest. Now eighth one. Noon. N-O-O-N. Noon. Noon. Noon means afternoon. Next, see the ninth word, cuties. Opposite. O-P-P-O. Oppo. S-I-T-E-Z. Opposite. Say, cuties. Opposite. Say again. Opposite. Then 10th one. behind. Behind means in Tamil we will say as pinnadi, isn't it? Behind means pinnadi. B-E-H-I-N-D, behind. Say again, cuties. B-E-H-I-N-D, behind. Now see the 11th word. Front. F-R-O-N-T, front. Say again, front. Then 12th one, formed. F-O-R-M-E-D, formed. You can say as F-O-R-M, form, then add E-D, formed. F-O-R-M, form, E-D, formed. Then 13th word, moonlight. M-O-O-N, moon, L-I-G-H-T, light, moonlight. M-O-O-N, moon, L-I-G-H-T, light, moonlight. Now see the 14th word, cuties. Bulb. B-U-L-B, bulb. Say with me, bulb. B-U-L-B, bulb. Now see the 15th word, tube light. T-U-B-U, tube, L-I-G-H-T, light, tube light. Say again, T-U-B-E, tube, L-I-G-H-T, light, tube light. Cuties, see the book and read these words again and again. Then write it in your rough note only one time. Okay, cuties? You can also play with the shadow. You can make many shapes using your hand. See this picture? Like this, with the help of the source of light, you can form many shadow and you can play. If we are in school, surely we would have played, but we all missed, isn't it? But in your home itself, you can play this shadow. Okay, cuties? Take your mother's or father's help and you can play this. Okay, cuties? That's all. Bye-bye. Meet you in the next video. Take care, cuties.